Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin, and for today we're going to talk about dividing polynomials using long division. So, paano nga ba mag-divide ng polynomial using long division? Our first step is for us to identify our dividend and our divisor. So, yung unang polynomial na mababanggit dito sa ating expression, that will be our dividend. And yung pagkatapos ng division symbol, that will be our divisor. So, ang ilalagay natin dito will be, sa loob, ang lalagay natin will be the dividend. So, lagay natin si x squared plus 3x minus 5. Tapos, yung divisor natin, ilalagay natin sa labas. So, we will have x minus 5 outside this division bar. Tapos, our next step will be to divide the first term by the first term. So, x squared divided by x, that will give us x. Tapos, let's multiply our quotient sa ating divisor. So, x times x will be x squared. X times negative 5 will be negative 5x. Tapos, let's subtract. So, we will have x squared minus x squared will be 0. 3x minus negative 5x will be positive 8x. Take note, we apply keep, change, change. 3 minus negative 5. So, it will now be 3 plus positive 5. Kaya siya naging positive 8x. Then, bring down negative 5. So, bring down negative 5. Tapos, ulitin lang ulit natin yung ginawa natin. Divide the first term by the first term. So, 8x divided by x, that is positive 8. Then, let's multiply 8 to our divisor. So, 8 times x, that is 8x. 8 times negative 5 is negative 40. Then, we subtract 8x minus 8x, that will be 0. Negative 5 minus negative 40, that will be positive 35. Now, since wala na tayong mabibring down, isusulat na natin yung ating final answer. We will follow the quotient algorithm. So, we will have the quotient, x plus 8, yung nasa taas. Then, we add the remainder. So, since meron tayong remainder, which is 35, okay, gagawa tayo ng fraction bar. Let's add the remainder. 35 will be the numerator of our fraction. All over, kung ano yung divisor natin, yun yung magiging denominator dito sa ating fraction. So, we will have 35 over x minus 5. So, again, quotient plus the remainder sa numerator over the divisor. So, this will be our final answer, x plus 8 plus 35 all over x minus 5. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. So, let's divide these polynomials using long division. So, pag nagde-divide tayo using long division, we have to identify the dividend and the divisor. Tapos, we're going to apply divide, multiply, subtract, then bring down, and repeat. Okay, so, first step, our dividend is x squared plus 10x minus 12. So, lalagay natin siya sa loob ng ating long division bar. Okay, tapos yung x plus 6, lalagay natin sa labas ng ating division bar. Okay, so, yan yung ating divisor. So, next, ang de-divide natin yung first term by the first term. So, x squared divided by x, that is x. Tapos, let's multiply x to our divisor. So, x times x is x squared. X times 6 is 6x. Tapos, let's subtract. So, subtract natin. X squared minus x squared is 0. 10x minus 6x will be 4x. Tapos, bring down na natin tong negative 12. Then, let's repeat the same process. So, divide the first term by the first term. So, 4x divided by x is positive 4. Then, let's multiply 4 by the divisor. So, 4 times x is 4x. Then, 4 times 6 will be 24. So, let's subtract. 4x minus 4x is 0. Negative 12x minus 24 will be negative 36. So, take note, when we subtract, we will apply keep, change, change. So, negative 12 magiging plus negative 24. So, we will have same sign. So, copy the sign and then add. That will give us negative 36. Tapos, since wala na tayong mabibring down, we will now write our final answer. So, let's write our final answer. Yung quotient muna, x plus 4. Then, let's add our remainder. So, since meron tayong remainder na negative 36, we will have plus, tapos fraction bar. So, numerator natin will be the remainder, negative 36. Tapos, sa denominator natin, yun yung ating divisor. So, we will write x plus 6 in our denominator. And that's it. Our final answer will be x plus 4 plus negative 36 over x plus 6. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. Okay, let's divide these polynomials using long division. So, first step natin is to identify the dividend and the divisor. So, prepare na natin yung ating long division. So, yung dividend natin will be the first polynomial, which is x cubed minus 6x squared minus 7x plus 20. Ilalagay natin siya sa loob ng ating long division. Then, yung ating divisor will be the second polynomial, which is x minus 4. So, lagay natin siya sa labas ng ating long division. Now, let's start dividing. So, ang gagawin natin is divide natin si first term by the first term. So, x cubed divided by x is x squared, performing the loss of exponent, which is quotient rule. Tapos, multiply natin si x squared sa ating divisor. X squared times x is x cubed. X squared times negative 4 is negative 4x squared. Then, let's subtract. So, x cubed minus x cubed is 0. 6x squared minus 4x squared, that will be negative 2x squared. Then, since wala na tayong masusubtract, bring down na natin si negative 7x. Okay. Next step natin, we will repeat the same procedure. Divide the first term by the first term. Negative 2x squared divided by x, that will give us negative 2x. Tapos, multiply natin si negative 2x sa ating divisor. So, negative 2x times x is negative 2x squared. Negative 2x times negative 4 is positive 8x. Now, let's subtract. So, negative 2x squared minus negative 2x squared is 0. Negative 7x minus 8x is negative 15x. Next, bring down natin si 20. Then, let's repeat the same thing. Divide the first term by the first term. So, negative 15x divided by x is negative 15. Tapos, multiply natin si negative 15 kay x. That is 15. Okay. Let's multiply negative 15 sa ating divisor. Negative 15 times x is negative 15x. Negative 15 times negative 4 is positive 60. Tapos, subtract natin. Okay, negative 15x minus negative 15x, that will be 0. 20 minus 60 is negative 40. Now, since wala na tayong ma-bring down, let's write our final answer. So, we will have the value of our quotient, which is x squared minus 2x minus 15. Then, let's add our remainder. Since meron tayong remainder negative 40, so add natin siya. So, our remainder will be in the numerator, negative 40. And yung denominator natin will be the divisor, x minus 4. So, to write our final answer, it will be x squared minus 2x minus 15 plus negative 40 over x minus 4. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. Okay, let's divide these polynomials using long division. So, ang gagawin natin, let's identify our dividend and our divisor. So, yung dividend natin dito is yung unang polynomial. So, yung 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 8x plus 50, lalagay natin sa loob ng ating division bar. Tapos, yung ating second polynomial, yung x plus 3, will be placed outside our long division. Okay, now let's perform dividing using long division. So, ang gagawin natin is to divide the first term by the first term. So, 2x cubed divided by x is 2x squared. Tapos, multiply natin 2x squared times the divisor. So, 2x squared times x is 2x cubed. 2x squared times 3 will be 6x squared. Let's subtract. So, we will have 2x cubed minus 2x cubed is 0. 5x squared minus 6x squared will be negative x squared. So, after we subtract, bring down natin si negative 8x. Then, let's repeat the procedure, divide the first term by the first term. So negative x squared divided by x is negative x. Tapos, let's multiply negative x to our divisor. Okay. Negative x times x is negative x squared. Negative x times 3 will be negative 3x. Tapos, subtract ulit natin. Negative x squared minus negative x squared is 0. Negative 8x minus negative 3x will be negative 5x. Tapos, bring down natin si positive 50. Okay. So, repeat natin yung procedure. Divide natin si first term by the first term. Negative 5x divided by x is negative 5. Tapos, multiply natin si negative 5 sa ating divisor. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. Subtract natin. We will have negative 5x minus negative 5x is 0. 50 minus negative 50 is 65. So, apply natin yung keep, change, change. Tapos, pag wala na tayong ma-bring down, ang susunod nating step is to write our final answer. So, we will have 2x squared minus x minus 5. Then, let's add our remainder since meron pa tayong remainder na 65. So, add natin yung remainder as a fraction form. So, yung remainder natin will be the numerator of our fraction over the divisor, which is x plus 3. So, ganito natin isusulat yung ating remainder. So, our final answer will be 2x squared minus x minus 5 plus 65 over x plus 3. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. Okay. Let's divide these polynomials using long division. So, ang first step natin is to identify the dividend and the divisor of this expression. So, ang first step natin is to identify the dividend and the divisor. So, yung unang polynomial dito is our dividend. So, we write it inside the division bar. Tapos, yung second polynomial, that will be our divisor. So, lagay natin siya sa labas ng ating long division. So, ang first step natin, pag nagde-divide tayo ng long division, is to divide the first term by the first term. So, 8x cubed divided by 2x, that will give us 4x squared. Tapos, multiply natin yung quotient na 4x squared to our divisor. So, 4x squared times 2x is 8x cubed. 4x squared times 3 is 12x squared. Then, let's subtract. So, 8x cubed minus 8x cubed is 0. 24x squared minus 12x squared will be 12x squared. So, after natin mag-subtract, we bring down the next term, 14x. Then, let's repeat the procedure by dividing the first term by the first term. So, 2x squared divided by 2x will be 6x. Tapos, multiply natin si 6x sa ating divisor. So, 6x times 2x is 12x squared. Tapos, 6x times 3 is 18x. Then, subtract natin. We will have 12x squared minus 12x squared is 0. 14x minus 18x will be negative 4x. Tapos, pagkatapos natin i-subtract, we will proceed to bringing down the next term, negative 25. Tapos, repeat tayo by dividing the first term by the first term. So, negative 4x divided by 2x is negative 2. Tapos, multiply natin si negative 2 sa ating divisor. So, negative 2 times 2x is negative 4x. Negative 2 times 3 will be negative 6. Subtract ulit natin. Negative 4x minus negative 4x is 0. Negative 25 minus negative 6 is negative 19. So, pag wala na tayong ma-bring down, ang susunod natin gagawin is to write our final answer. So, we have our quotient, 4x squared plus 6x minus 2. And then, since mayroon tayong remainder, negative 19, we will add that. So, let's add our remainder. So, yung remainder natin isusulat natin as remainder over divisor. So, yung remainder natin is negative 19. Ang divisor natin will be 2x plus 3. So, our final answer will be 4x squared plus 6x minus 2 plus negative 19 over 2x plus 3. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.